Loyalty Awardee.
Cabalo Encel Ginandingan, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Lacson Rena May Adam, Work Immersion Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer.
Landig Andre Daniel Aniversario, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and Athletics Awardee.
Leyva May Joy Kirog, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and a Loyalty Awardee.
Lebres Cedrex Bennett, CSS and C2 passer, Loyalty Awardee and Athletics Awardee.
Maghanoy Lawrence Antonio, Work Immersion Awardee and a Loyalty Awardee.
Malaay Janice Reyes, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Mamaluba Rahima Cabalo, Work Immersion Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer.
Maminto GM Mampugo, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Computer System Servicing and CSS and C2 passer.
Munar Angel Marie Fronda, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and a Loyalty Awardee.
Nabatilan Hana Nicole Himbing, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Nasis Aldrin J. Siran, Work Immersion Awardee and a Loyalty Awardee.
Onyate Ethel Grace Panes, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Paler Zyrus Jake Braga, Work Immersion Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer.
Palmares William Jr. Tabusares, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Palmones Giancarlo Balaba, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Pareño Stephen Carr Plantig, CSS and C2 passer, Loyalty Awardee.
Frande John Eric, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Protasio John Kenneth Panate, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Rivera Eric John Palmes, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer, a Loyalty Awardee.
Rivera Joshua Palmes, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Rotelo Yesha Ann L, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer.
Sahile Fatima Nafisa, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Salmone Shiny Sakayanan, Work Immersion Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer.
Saman Jerlyn Joy Maniago, Work Immersion Awardee and Loyalty Awardee.
Sema John Paul Dabpil, Work Immersion Awardee and a CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Soniega Jason Octaviano, Work Immersion Awardee and Loyalty Awardee.
Suplaag Clint Mark Gonzalez, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Computer System Servicing, CSS and C2 passer, Loyalty Awardee.
Torreja Christian Doloho, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Valencia Frederick John Banyasado, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Valerio Johnbert Asuncion, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS and C2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Alamada Aizamen Baladsikan, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Balano Christine Jean Nabor, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
12 Hazel Pandag, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Dugando May Kailal Yarenas, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer. Juan Camilo Jr. Velasco, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS and C2 passer.
Kayao Luke Lupera, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Likayan Ashford Jones P, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Manangan Princess Disales, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS NC2 Passer.
Mao Ismael Zakaria, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Nemes Mark Joshua Damandaman, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Nodalo Kimberly May Ramirez, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Pacaonces Justin Parupaldino, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Pantaleon Raisa Angela Landerio, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Pabia Rami James Panizales, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Pura Adrian De Latina, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Ribamonte Emerald Butalan, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Sormilio Mac Daniel Kapangyarihan, Work Immersion Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Tayuan Jasen Yu, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS NC2 Passer.
Villanueva Jerlyn Rose Rio, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Zaman Junaisa Ibad, Work Immersion Awardee, CSS NC2 Passer.
Apa Marshall Muyag de Langalen, Loyalty Awardee, CSS NC2 Passer.
Bicudo Ralph Albirastin, Loyalty Awardee.
Kayaban Chofilo Berjan IV Lunasco, Loyalty Awardee and CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Doloho Reynan Betco, Loyalty Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Galaura Mark B, Loyalty Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Villasor EJ Mikang, Loyalty Awardee.
De la Cruz Micaela Salazar, Loyalty Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Silmoy Lovely Impanado, Loyalty Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Tukaya Crystal Ann Chloe Dayon, Loyalty Awardee and CSS NC2 Passer.
Caballero Mark Lapide, CSS NC2 Passer.
Doliete Cyril John Balahan, CSS NC2 Passer and Athletics Award. Doloria Lawrence Haro, CSS NC2 Passer.
Escosa Dane Joshua Venafe, CSS NC2 Passer.
Hepe Seyerson Abela, CSS NC2 Passer, City of Tacorong Sports Excellence Award.
Hanoto Joshua Dave Trinidad, CSS NC2 Passer.
Pumayog Muhidin Makalimpas, CSS NC2 Passer.
Magdasok Christopher Jr. Katipay, CSS NC2 Passer.
Robete Jose Niño Flamiano, CSS NC2 Passer.
Sibal Michael L. Charles Mendoza, CSS NC2 Passer.
Sulaik Amir Hassan Janal, CSS NC2 Passer.
Vincer Kent Carl Mier, CSS NC2 Passer.
Victorino Rodel Tion, CSS NC2 Passer.
Estrobilio Renz Denhel N, CSS NC2 Passer.
Bagal Dato Nur, CSS NC2 Passer.
Di Fiesta Carl Francis Shautong, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Palada Charmel Ann Gonzalez, CSS JDBP Training Completer.
Sa muli, isang matagumpay na pagbati sa inyong lahat.
Isang mapagpalang hapon sa lahat. Ikinagagalak naming ipakilala ang mga mag-aaral na nagkamit ng kahusayan sa iba't ibang larangan mula sa Home Economics Strand sa taong panuruan 2024-2025.
Pataray Jan Rubel Dalangbayan, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee of Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Bacunaje Gwyneth K. Hillary Narvaez, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 Passer, Leadership Awardee, and Supreme Secondary Learner Government Service Awardee.
Barilla Angela Banhao, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, and the Loyalty Awardee.
Pido Andrea Gail Alayon, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Baya John Stephen Huesca, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee of Outstanding Performance in Athletics, Athletic Awardee, City of Tacorong Sports Excellent Awardee and Athletics.
Benito Cesar Ayan Ayosep, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Science, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Mathematics, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Calmurin Dinje Igdanes, Loyalty Awardee, Kukiru NC2 Passer.
Gregory Jail Mar, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Herida Alvin Jude Javier, Work Immersion Awardee.
Lucero Harlem Fritz Cerame, Work Immersion Awardee.
Ugad Wilmar Galera, Cookery NC2 Passer.
Rosales TJ Gialogo, Work Immersion Awardee.
Salisi Jerwin Moraño, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Cookery NC2 Passer.
Asuncion Euniza Al Cabrobias, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Arts, Cookery NC2 Passer, and Loyalty Awardee.
Ancheta Rafivi Joban, Umanya, Work Immersion Awardee.
Arellano Novelleza Janala, Loyalty Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Cookery NC2 Passer, and Loyalty Awardee.
Badsalan Aida Andal, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 Passer.
Banusing Aladina Lacson, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Cookery NC2 Passer, and Leadership Awardee.
Kamangig Ellen Kakam, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, and the Cookery NC2 Passer.
Canabe Andrea Carriazo, Loyalty Awardee and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Cornelio Angel Gris Daras, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 Passer.
De La Peña Jeraila Garcia, Food and Beverage Services NC2 Passer.
De Los Reyes Roslaini Obeso, Cookery NC2 Passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Dipita Princess May Almarza, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, and Loyalty Awardee.
De Malanas Ashley Abdullah, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, and Loyalty Awardee.
Dumangkas Karil Jane Labaw, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, and Loyalty Awardee.
Ikong Lovely May Nicolas, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, and Loyalty Awardee.
Gumban Princess Aljoy Takbobo, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Hilikan Mary Kathleen Simon, Work Immersion Awardee, Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, and Cookery NC2 Passer.
Helican Mary Cristel Simon, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for outstanding performance and technical and vocational livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, and Cookery NC2 passer.
Lumataw Cheria Duyan, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for outstanding performance and technical vocational livelihood, and Loyalty Awardee.
Mendoza Laika Ramiliano, Work Immersion Awardee, and awardee for outstanding performance and technical and vocational livelihood.
Ninyora Jimbel Chris Sarmiento, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 passer.
Nulan Deborah Luwak, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 passer, awardee for outstanding performance and technical and vocational livelihood.
Pagdato Catleya Historia, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 passer.
Pagital Shala Rose Biang, Loyalty Awardee.
Rabo Shirley-Ann Ribuyas, Cookery NC2 passer.
Salinugen Eliza Camidon, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for outstanding performance and technical and vocational livelihood.
Alvarez Prince Telorin, Work Immersion Awardee and Loyalty Awardee.
Apostol J.V. Jan Sensio, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer, awardee for Best and Demonstration Skills in Food and Beverage Services NC2, and awardee for Outstanding Performance in Arts.
Kasaysay Julian Rod Di Maala, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, Food and Beverage Services NC2 awardee.
Gokotano Ramon Guerrero, Work Immersion Awardee, and Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Gorigao Espa Baralo, Food and Beverage Services NC2 awardee and Loyalty Awardee.
Kanapya Dato King Mangako, Work Immersion Awardee, and Cookery NC2 passer.
Maranyon Hans Gabriel Dablo, Cookery NC2 passer and awardee for Loyalty Award.
Mendoza Adrian Salanap, Work Immersion Awardee, and Cookery NC2 passer.
Mortera Sam Louis Calmorin, Work Immersion Awardee, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer, City of Tacorong Sports Excellence Awardee and Athletics.
Navarra James Brian Dalmasio, Cookery NC2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Turmis John Lloyd Rintura, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood and Loyalty Awardee.
Wamelda Sean Wesley Sulgon, Cookery NC2 passer, Loyalty Awardee, and awardee for Outstanding Performance in Arts.
Abdul Harjilin Gumban, Cookery NC2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Antang Colleen Yabot, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Bantilan Princess Adele Villarta, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood and Loyalty Awardee.
Bautista Jillian Tihadillo, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance and Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, and Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Kabugatan City Amina Adrama, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Canabe Irene Quaresma, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty Awardee.
Kasanya Maylene Istanyoso, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee and Cookery NC2 passer.
Castellanes Eliza Mamot, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty Awardee, Cookery NC2 passer.
Sebastian Real Alexa Espino, Work Immersion Awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood and Loyalty Awardee.
Dormido Ashley Joy Cabukos, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer, Loyalty Awardee, awardee for Best and Demonstration Skills in Food and Beverage Services NC2.
Espuertas Rizalin Rota, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Gamarcha Jasmine Yiliran, Cookery NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Juanitis Jingjing Anggi, Cookery NC2 passer and Work Immersion awardee.
Judilia Jebraila Pisidas, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer, Loyalty awardee.
Judilia Gisa Alcos, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Humalin Genevieve Dalisan, Work Immersion awardee. Awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical and Vocational Livelihood, Loyalty awardee, Cookery NC2 passer, and awardee for Best and Demonstration Skills in Cookery NC2.
Noguera Cheska Lorraine Alvarado, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Ortiz Mariel Joy Paraiso, Cookery NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Pareño Paulinjoy Natavio, Work Immersion awardee, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, Cookery NC2 passer, awardee for Best and Demonstration Skills and Cookery NC2.
Pisidas April Dayan Kapinpin, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Reyes Ashley Shane Aprintado, Cookery NC2 passer, awardee for Outstanding Performance in Science.
Silad Aliana Tankle, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Taa Patricia Macampaw, Cookery NC2 passer, awardee for Loyalty.
Umayan Stephanie Ortega, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer and Loyalty awardee.
Karian Regine Abidijos, Work Immersion awardee.
Padernal Princess Castromayor, Work Immersion awardee.
Ersando Emmanuel Jr. Liberiza, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Mendoza Blix Dominic Diaz, Cookery NC2 passer.
Rio Rainmar John Baldoe, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Villan Lirad Canto, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Abdullah Muhayna Anad, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Diferia Lovelyn Zamora, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Duco Jewel Marzalado, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer.
Tuesca April Jane Ganabes, Food and Beverage Services NC2 passer. Here are the following that are recipients of Loyalty Awards.
Gentibano Augusto Ducanes,
Acosta Twinkle May La Rosa,
Alhar Ana Lourdes Catalunya,
Areno Mayan Gabayeron,
Basera Isabel Malinaw,
Bihugan Angela May Rubrico,
Belmoro Rowena Rose,
Camunsa City Aina Edres,
Cordero Alexa Nicole Suarez,
De Los Reyes Mayan Rodilia,
Dugando Lisel Antoinette Yato,
Espuertas Maylin Havel,
Habuyo Alia Joy Ligip,
Labrador Nilfa Salcedo,
Langayen Alicia Bagel,
Liza Mary Ann Doblico,
Tuba MG Adlawan,
Diaz Joshua Alejandrino, Cookery NC2 Training Completer,
Sibalios Alrin Palermo, Food and Beverage Services NC2 Training Completer,
Ganaba Jessica Orhaleza, Food and Beverage Services NC2 Training Completer,
Martinez Nestipil Blanca, Cookery NC2 Training Passer,
Similiano Jeremy Onyate, Food and Beverage Services NC2 Training Completer. Sa muli, isang matagumpay na pagbati.
Isang mapagpalang hapon sa lahat. Ikinagagalak naming ipakilala ang mga mag-aaral na nagkamit ng kahusayan sa iba't ibang larangan mula sa Industrial Arts strand sa taong panuruan 2024-2025 para sa Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Arakel Brent Jed Esteban, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer. At siya rin ay tatanggap ng espesyal na pagkilala bilang miyembro ng San Pedro Calungsod Knights of the Altar.
Duyan Joshua Benedict Castillo, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Loyalty awardee, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, service awardee, EIM NC2 passer. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng espesyal na pagkilala bilang kinatawa ng Dibisyon ng Tacorong sa Regional Festival of Talent na nagkamit ng unang gantimpala.
Lapides John Darwin Butil, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Loyalty awardee, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, and EIM NC2 passer.
Mabahin Ivan Ronel Bilbao, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Loyalty awardee, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, and EIM NC2 passer.
Matangan Michael Nicolas, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer.
Abel Allen Justin Galon, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Aliin Muhammad Naef Samson, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Andrada Alex Jr. Arquiza, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Argel Rohel Mark Caspilio, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Azares Briggs Delmindo, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer, and awardee for the best in skills demonstration in EIM.
Balubugan Hasanal Balul Ali, awardee for outstanding performance in Technical Vocational Livelihood, specialized in EIM. Awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee, and EIM NC2 passer.
Cadete Samver Suarez, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee, and EIM NC2 passer.
Kangke Marcelo Jr. Sardoma, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer, and service awardee.
The Divas John Michael Bello, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
De la Cruz Jerry Jr. Sales, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee, EIM NC2 passer, and awardee for best in skills demonstration in EIM.
Domingo John Raver Aldamar, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Ferrer Lench Cayoca, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee, and EIM NC2 passer.
Fobar Christian Delfin, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Kalimba John Paul Gumaga, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer.
Gandingan Jarel Malio, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer. awardee for Best in Skills Demonstration in EIM.
Gabino Joey Lumagoy, Loyalty Awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Gonzales Cathrex Roy Luntayaw, awardee for outstanding performance in technical vocational livelihood specialized in EIM, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Jobiera Angelo Yabot, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
La Corte Justin Lanyohan, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Lanceta Hinaro Jr. Gayonan, Loyalty Awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Laniton John Mark Aquino, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Makadaya Esmael, Loyalty Awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Makol Hamude Ismael, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Macol Cesar Marcilia, awardee for outstanding performance in technical vocational livelihood specialized in EIM and EIM NC2 passer.
Makatigil Giovanni Andaya, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Membrelios Raymark de Mesa, Loyalty Awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Mortera Ray J. Palero, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Pasyente Joyla Katakutan, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Perez John Sena Aranico, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Protasio John Lil Cuenca, awardee for outstanding performance in technical vocational livelihood specialized in EIM, loyalty awardee, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, EIM NC2 passer, service awardee, at siya rin ay tatanggap ng espesyal na pagkilala bilang kinatawan ng Dibisyon ng Tacurong sa Regional Festival of Talent na nagkamit ng unang gantimpala.
Rodolfo Jasper James Vicero, awardee for outstanding performance in athletics, loyalty awardee, EIM NC2 passer, and City of Tacurong Sports Excellence awardee.
Rohel Lance Neil Dasilio, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Sandigo Untong Lagyalam, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Sarmiento Benjamin III Birami, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Sinumagan Abdullah Mamo, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Tagose Gerald Camansa, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Valdez Vincent Martinez, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Valerio Jimwell Mark Wesley Marcelino, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Villajos Kyle Axel, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Villanueva Sai Cadete, loyalty awardee and EIM NC2 passer.
Belis Michael Martin, awardee for outstanding performance in work immersion and EIM NC2 passer.
Panes Charles Ron Estose, loyalty awardee.
Alamada Alamen Baladsikan, EIM NC2 passer.
Arellano Edwin III Palmes, EIM NC2 passer.
Barido TJ Geraldo Canes, EIM NC2 passer.
Bigcog Dato Benrais Mangunda Dato, EIM NC2 passer and awardee for Best in Skills Demonstrations in EIM.
Bilyones Kevin J. Alimoon, EIM NC2 passer and service awardee.
Coniendo John Nel Bulahan, EIM NC2 passer.
De La Cruz Javer Menardo Peña Florida, EIM NC2 passer.
Hintison Jetlyn Nicolas, EIM NC2 passer and service awardee.
Magno Rolly Jr. Vasalio, EIM NC2 passer.
Mercado Rico John Intong, EIM NC2 passer.
Mondehar John Mark Aki, EIM NC2 passer.
Nacio Unico Villarusa, EIM NC2 passer.
Pagaduan Ezekiel Bini, EIM NC2 passer.
Rama Junior Ignacio Camot, EIM NC2 passer.
Romero Cyrus Ezekiel Hambala, EIM NC2 passer.
Salilitin Mokhtar Manginyog, EIM NC2 passer.
Velasco Michael Ray Daza, EIM NC2 passer.
Catalonia Giselle Dualan, EIM NC2 passer.
Exoc Shine Catherine Bolon, EIM NC2 passer.
Juanites Renante Anggi, EIM NC2 passer.
Hulom Jerus Doktora, EIM NC2 passer.
Lintangi Mokhtar Sulaiman, EIM JDBP training completer.
Raquinho Iverson Agtuto, EIM JDVP training completer.
And Sakas Nathan C, EIM NC2 passer. Sa muli, isang matagumpay na pagbati sa inyong lahat.
Narito ang mga mag-aaral na nagkamit ng kahusayan ng iba't ibang larangan mula sa Automotive Servicing Strand sa taong panuruan 2024-2025. Duca Amaris Nay Fliamelo, Work Immersion Awardee, Automotive Servicing Certificate Passer, Automotive Servicing Best Skill Demonstration. Darapa Simon Galoy, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Ronnie Fernandez Ronnie Sinangote, Work Immersion Awardee, NC1 Passer, Automotive Servicing Best Skill Demonstration. Hiso John Paul Panigua, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer and Automotive Servicing Best Demonstration. Magbanwa Robert Kabaktulan, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Mamangkaw Hakim Soriano, Work Immersion Awardee, NC1 Passer. Mustafa Hussein Sarip, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Tabian John Lloyd Palawan, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Serion Shine Magno, Work Immersion Awardee, NC1 Passer, Automotive Servicing Best Skills Demonstration. Ato Roel Jr. Pagayon, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Alada Roldan Dioso, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Alamada Amir Pasyente, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Alfon Rainiel Calanza, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Alvarez Slas Liza, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Arigin Rick Owen Dizon, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Asiniero Ralph Lawrence Tocayaw, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Bacolinaw Joros Floteldes, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Bibit Jeremy Lloyd Elento, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Billones Romil Tifontorom, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Bonita Gerald B, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Bustamante Christian Fano, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Cabra Charlie Aquino, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Cagabion Day Billones, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Camarinias Almar Panuga, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Catalan Gio Familiaran, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Dapilaga Reggie Jr. Maluyo, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Del Moro Homer Lamigo, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Delphine Lord Brian Amor, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Delgado Reynan Blanco, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Doronila John Lloyd Luis, he will receive Work Immersion Award, Loyalty Award, and NC1 Certificate. Foniliera Kyle John Casinilio, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Fortaleza John Benedict Estita, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Gavino Justin Lumagoy, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Huenda Raymart Ayag, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Inocencio Richard Banyes, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Itabli Trey Lawrence Orzami, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Holampong Jeric Padilla, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Kamat J. Ram Riquezo, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Kusan Almonsor Magon, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Lamputi John Carlo Tacardon, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Ligotom Jason Ray Alcazar, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Leopard Redden Paul Karikain, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Losenio Joel Jr. Basan, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Madronio Kenneth Mugan, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Manginyog Morsad Abdulatif, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Marcelino Joshua Azucena, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Martizano Owen Mark Sumatra, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Maulana Yamir Balayanon, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Mustafa Noraldin Sindab, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Ordinario J-Ron Palawan, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Wilfredo Jr. Pasaran, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Primitivo John Kevin Palmares, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Sabarillo Russell Dizo, NC1 Passer. Sally Ibrahim Maminjala, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Sanchez Jerwin Angi, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Sakilabon Wendell Canabil, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Sirando Gian Joshua Victorio, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Silungan Jehan Alang, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Sumadia Terence Galbarole, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Tantong Jobert Hivero, Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Toquero Roichin Saliego, Work Immersion Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and NC1 Passer. Valianas Ryan Mori, Work Immersion Awardee and NC1 Passer. Villegas Romeo Jr. Ubak, Work Immersion Awardee and Loyalty Awardee and NC1 Passer. Ladies and gentlemen, the Automotive Servicing NC1 Passers: Acosta John Ray Bautista, Aligonero Ayan Clark Ampatuan, Arivalo John Liemar Binyalon, Asis Abubakar Makadaya, Balbienta Mark Rainiel, Binitwa Cedric Bell Asuncion, Binitwa Mark Anthony Salvador, Berdan Emmanuel Lutaw, Bergado Bernard Joseph Andalan, Camilon Rainiel Pinuela, De La Cruz Richard John Golmayo, Di Fontorum Jericho Biodes, Espinosa Maki Salvador, Francisco Carl Magbanwa, Guerrero RJ Abalos, Gianna Gabriel Salvador, Hilario Harley Manudal, Indong Christopher Jr. Ortega, Inocencio Hernan Feliciano, Laonio Christian Jade Abuacan, Livita Jean Gray Makilan, Magbanwa Jean Rain Esgrina, Maroliano Nathaniel Campos, Miguel Jackie Delgado, Morgan Jeremy Balien, Opilio Justin Cedric Pilaes, Pabular Raymond Gonzaga, Pajarito Warren Jack Banyes, Rangas Santiago Esteves, Rillion Clyde Fagutaw, Salipawan Baser Salunayan, Salmoni Harry Francisco, Samindugan Kaharudin Dumaraog, Sormion Jose Jr. Gailo, Ibanez Franklin Rosal, Arsenio Monica Pabular, Malayon Diana Rose Enoch, Pabular Dwendelin Cabradilla, Palermo Samantha Paliado, Piñaranda Zandra Igaran, Zainal Shaira May Cautin, Aclera Brian Isoriaga, Loyalty Awardee and JDVP Automotive Servicing Completer. Aclera Carl Itoriaga, Loyalty Awardee, JDVP Automotive Servicing Completer. Castro Lance Lawrence Panes, Loyalty Awardee, JDVP Automotive Servicing Completer. Robles Lawrence, Loyalty Awardee, JDVP Automotive Servicing Completer. Shabo J. Mark Barnasia, JDVP Automotive Servicing Completer. Congratulations to all of you.
Sa pagkakataong ito, ating bigyan ng espesyal na pagkilala si Engineer Mon Nathaniel L. Bisana, ECT, Top 2, na may rating na 94%, STEM 2020 alumnus, sa katatapos lamang na Electronics Technician, Licensure Examination, April 2025.
Ang medalya ay igagawad ng ating punong guro, Sir Martin I. Diaz, at mga katuwang na punong guro, Ma'am Esther M. Yuliran at Sir Ronald D. De La Peña. Isang masigabong palakpakan. Sa muli, isang mainit na pagbati sa lahat. Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang pagpupugay sa mga tagumpay na nakamit, kundi ito rin ay isang pagpupugay sa mga magulang sa kanilang walang sawang pagmamahal, pagkalinga at paggabay.
Para magbigay ng mensahe ng pagpupugay sa mga magulang, ating pakinggan si Ferlyn Grace R. Behe, may mataas na karangalan mula sa STEM strand. Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan.
Hello. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Sa ating pansangay na tagapanihala ng mga paaralan, Ginoong Hildo G. Mosqueda, na kinakatawan ni Ma'am Arlene G. Arqueza, CID Chief. Sa ating masipag na punong guro, Ginoong Martin I. Diaz, Sir. Sa katuwang na punong guro, Ginang Esther M. Yuliran. Sa ating mga panauhin, sa aking kapwa magsisipagtapos, mga dakilang guro, at sa ating minamahal na mga magulang. Ang araw na ito ay espesyal. Ito ang pagkilala sa ating mga nakamit sa loob ng 2 taon ng pagsisikap at sakripisyo. Ngunit ang lahat ng ito ay hindi posible kung wala ang lubos na suporta at patnubay ng ating mga magulang. Magkaiba man ng katangian, iba't ibang ugali at personalidad, isa lamang ang kanilang pagkakatulad. Ito ay walang hanggan na pagmamahal. Mula sa paghatid sundo sa paaralan, pagtulong sa takdang aralin, o di kaya'y pagbibigay ng sermon dahil madaling araw na may project o assignment ka pang ginagawa. Ang kanilang pagmamahal ay maihahalin tulad ko sa isang banayad na hangin sa mainit na panahon, o kasing tatag ng isang bundok na kahit kailan hinding-hindi natitinag. Sa totoo lang, bihira nating ibigay sa ating mga magulang ang buong pagpapahalaga sa pagmamahal at pagsisikap na ibinubuhos nila sa ating buhay. Lalong-lalo na sa ating pag-aaral. Sa sitwasyon ko, Normal na kong maituturing ang pag-uwi ko ng medalya sa bahay. Ma, first place ko sa competition. Pa, daog kami, mapa-regionals kami. Sa rami ng patimpalak na aking sinasalihan, sila na mismo ang nagsasabi na, tama na, damo ka na may ginintrahan, why ka natak-an? Ganyan man ang kanilang reaksyon. Kahit kailan, hindi ako nagsasawang salihan ang kahit anumang kompetisyon sa dahilan na ito ang nagbibigay karangalan at ngiti sa kanilang labi. Baon mo, ibalik mo ang sobra ha. Hindi gin matabo na. Diin ka naman ma-practice. Sabay 100 missed calls sa cellphone. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat dahil ako'y nabiyayaan ng mapagmahal na mga magulang. Sa aking mama, salamat sa walang humpay na suporta at disiplina. Pati na rin sa pasensyang binibigay mo sa akin. Pasawayabi ka minsan. Sa aking papa na all-in-one, electrical engineer, driver, math tutor, mechanic, at personal massager. Hindi ko maisip na kakayanin ang senior high school journey ko kung wala kayo. Lubos din ng aking pasasalamat sa mga nagsilbing magulang sa loob ng paaralan. Sa aking STEM-tastic teachers na nakita at ipinalabas ang nakatago kong potensyal. Mga mentors na hinubog ako upang maging isang magaling na estudyante. Inaamin ko, hindi ako marunong maglahad o magbigay ng matatamis na salita sa aking mga magulang. Action speaks louder than words, ika nga nila. Kaya idadaan ko sa matinding pag-aaral kapalit ng matinding sakripisyo na ibinibigay nila sa akin. Sa mga magulang na narito ngayon, pati na rin sa mga OFWs na nagsusumikap mabigyan ng magandang bukas ang kanilang mga anak. Batid kong labis ang pagmamalaki ninyo sa mga naabot nilang parangal. Alam ko na hindi naging madali ang paglalakbay ninyo para maitaguyod ang edukasyon ng inyong mga anak. Tahimik ninyong tinitiis ang pagod, ang kakulangan, at ang mga sariling pangarap para lang masiguro na matupad ang mga pangarap nila. Alam ko na may mga pagkakataon na napapaisip kayo, sapat ba ang ginagawa ko? Naging mabuti pa akong ama? Naging mabuti pa akong ina? Natustusan ko ba ang mga pangangailangan nila? Ito ang tandaan niyo mga minamahal kong magulang. Ang inyong presensya, ang tiwala at ang tiyaga ninyo ay sapat na. Walang magulang na hindi kayang tiisin ang lahat para sa kanyang anak. Kaya patuloy kayong maging matatag. Dahil sa bawat hakbang ng anak ninyo patungo sa kinabukasan, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit sila nagpapatuloy. Nais nilang ibalik ang mga nagawa ninyong paghihirap. Nais nila kayong bigyan ng magandang buhay. Hindi man diretsahan na sabihin ng mga anak ninyo ang salitang, I love you, I appreciate you, salamat sa effort, mang and pa, palangga, tagid ka mo. Kahit hindi man namin banggitin yan, sa kaibuturan ng aming mga puso, kami lubos na nagpapasalamat. Mga kapwa ko magsisipagtapos, gusto ko na tandaan nyo ito. Naging estudyante rin ng ating mga magulang noon. Ninanais nila na maabot mo ang sana na abot nila noon. Ninanais nila na tahakin mo ang iyong sariling landas ng may lakas at layunin. Lumaki kang matalino, alam kung ano ang tama o mali. Sa togang asul at sa melodikong tunog ng medalya na nakasabit sa ating mga leeg, mapapaisip kayo, ay, isa lang manina medal ang nadawat ko. Ngunit ang medalyang ito ay nagsasalamin sa mga paghihirap, dugo at pawis ng inyong mga magulang. Ang kanilang dinidiin na panalangin ay nasagot na rin. Ang iyon at iyon ay ikaw na naririto ngayon. At bago ako lumisan sa inyong harapan, gumawa ako ng isang maikling tula na inaalay ko sa mga magulang na narito ngayon. Ito ay pinamagatang sakripisyo. Bisin tubig ang sudan subong, wala problema, basta ang bata ko kaskwila tarong. Ang sulod sang bulsa, coins nga gakiling, wala problema, basta ang sapatos kag uniform niya gahining. Bata ko, tani mag-eskwela ka. Ang ako niya kakapoy, hindi pagsayanga. Wala problema kay mama kag papa, ang buwas damlag mo ang unaha. Tanan kaya namon ihatag, basta ang grades mo hindi ilaglag. Tanan nga pangabudlay, madula, mahukas, malimtan, kung may medalya ka nga ginakaptan. Wala kapantay ang pagpalangga sang isa ka iloy kag amay. Himuon ang tanan, dako man o gamay. Ang tula nga ini para sa inyo, para sa tanan nga pasensya kag sakripisyo. Sa muli, isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat sa iyong tapos-pusong mensahe ng pagmamahal, Ferlyn Grace. Sa pagkakataong ito, atin namang pakinggan ang isang madamdaming awitin na ihahandog ng mga magsisipag tapos, na nagpapahayag ng taos-pusong pasasalamat at pagpupugay sa mga magulang. Narito ang awit kay Inay sa musika at sa mga titik ni Carol Banawa. Ang tulang ito ay handog sa inyo aming mga tunay na bayani. Sa mga minamahal naming magulang, aming pasasalamat at pagpupugay ay alay sa inyo. Walang bagay na maitutumbas sa pagmamahal niyong di kumukupas. Kahit anong pagod ay di sumusuko upang matupad lang ang sumpang pangako. Sa bawat hakbang namin, kayo ang aming gabay. Sa bawat pagbagsak namin, kayo ay nakaalalay. Kayo ang nagturo sa amin ng mga bagay na mahalaga sa buhay. Mga pangaral nyo ay aming babaunin habang buhay. Walang sinuman ang makapanghuhusga sa inyong pag-irog at pag-aaruga. Wala ring bagay na sukat ipampalit sa inyong